Hello guys, on this video I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to do WordPress website migration. So in case you are tired of your hosting and you want to change a hosting, this video is actually for you. I'm going to be telling you on how you can actually move every work that you have done on your old hosting to another hosting. And to do this, we are going to use a plugin, and the plugin that we are going to use is called All-in-One WP Migration. So in case you don't know what is WP migration or WP SEO or whatever, WP is just simply representing WordPress. So I encourage you guys to watch this video till the very end, and when you are watching it, you need to pay close attention to know how to do it step by step.
Okay guys, as you can see, this is empty WordPress website. Hello world, welcome to WordPress. If you install WordPress, this is how it's going to look. So, and this is another website, as you can see, online Gospel blog. This one is Gospel. Okay, I'm going to be migrating this one now to this empty site. So for me to do that, I'm going to come to our dashboard. As you can see, okay, this is the dashboard. This plugin, we are going to use a plugin called All-in-One WP Migration to migrate this website. Okay, plugin, let's add new. Okay, All-in-One WP Migration. Okay, this is the plugin here. Let me just bring it up. This is the plugin All-in-One WP Migration. Move, transfer, copy, migrate, and backup a site with one click. Quick, easy, and reliable. Okay, this is the plugin that we're going to use. So we're going to install it and activate it. Okay, installing. Let's give it a time. Okay, install, activate. Once we activate it, it is going to appear here, as you can see, activated. Okay, so it will be appearing on our dashboard. This is it here, All-in-One WP migration. So what we're going to be doing on this site now is to export everything to our computer. Okay, I click export, export to file, retrieving, archiving. Okay, let's give it a while. It's going to take a little while for it to export everything on this website right now. Okay, now we click on download. So already downloading. Okay, this is it here. If you are the type that is looking for how to migrate your hosting to another hosting provider, so this is how to do it.
Okay guys, the file is taking too much time to download on my computer, so I'm going to cut some part of this video. For this video not to be long, I'm going to cut some part.
So guys, now we have already finished exporting every file on this website. What we need to do now is to go to our new website. As you can see, it's 100% empty. On the dashboard, then we're going to download the same plugin again, All-in-One WP Migration. Add new. We now search All-in-One. Okay, this is the plugin. We need to install it again on this new website and activate it. Okay, activate. Plugin activated. Okay, this is it here. Then instead of us to do export, we need to do import. Okay, to import all this file. Okay, file. Then this is it here. Gospel blog. Open. Okay, so we are going to be giving it a while for everything to be imported. The import process will overwrite your website, including the database, media, plugin, and themes. Please ensure that you have a backup of your data before proceeding to the next step. Right now, as you can see, the importing process, take long time. I need to cut out some part of this video, so I will click on proceed. Okay, restoring. Okay, restoring file. Okay guys, this is how you can actually transfer your hosting to another hosting. It doesn't matter whether you use GoDaddy or the web hosting providers, anyone that you are using. If you want to change, this how you can actually change on easy step. Okay, finish. Right now we're going to be checking this our website domain. Okay, Can't you see? Gosway. Everything that is here on Gosway blog. Can't you see this one? This one is Gosway blog, and this one is on another tab. Gosway. Can't you see everything that is here? I've already imported all of them here. Okay, guys, with this, you can actually migrate your website from one hosting to another. This is how you can actually do it in a very easy step. So, this is a new site, and this is the old one. I can choose to delete everything here now and start making use of this one.
So guys, this video only teach you on how to do your hosting migration, not a domain name. Should in case you want to point the domain name to your new hosting provider, the process of doing this is called integration. So if you are interested on knowing how to integrate your domain name from one hosting provider to another, so I'm going to be teaching you on how to do that. So guys, please, all I demand from you guys is to actually share this video right now, and if you are on yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so YouTube is going to notify you whenever I drop a new video like this.